Hi everyone, I'm Teja, and in this class, I want to discuss about conditional statements in Python. And in Python, we have lots of conditional statements, but I picked some of the basic one, and they are if else, and else if, and nested if. And first of all, what is an if statement? Where it is actually using? Okay. Um, if statement is used to control the program flow, like if the condition is true, it will execute, or if the condition is false, it will terminate from the statement. Okay, I will give an example like x is equal to 24, and if x greater than 15, then it will print like true. Okay, so you can see that the output displays as true because uh, yeah, 24 is greater than 15, so it is printed as true. Okay, and coming to the second condition statement, it is if else. And before that, why the if else is introduced? Because from the perspective view of the user, uh, if the if statement is false but the user want to print something, then the if else statement is used. Like else, like I want to print something like small. Okay, and I will give an which is number less than 14. Okay, you can see that the data is 14, where it will first of all it will check the x greater than 15 condition, because here 14 is not greater than 15, so it will be and it will be directly go to the else, I mean like else condition, and in else there will be no condition. It is a statement, whatever it may be in the print, it will be print in the output. Okay, I hope if and if else are clear to you. And the third condition statement is else if. Else if is used to, it will check for multiple conditions to execute the program. And in some of the big MNCs, it will check for a second opinion for the better outcome for that application. And the else if statement is used, like if x greater than 10 and print a. Okay, print a. And it is the second condition, like x sorry, x greater than sorry, okay, x less than 50, print b. And you can also add that else x is divided by 2, I think so. X is less than 40, you can write, and print c. And finally we have to give the else statement, like if sorry, print above statements are false, above conditions are false. Okay, you can see that I have assigned x is equal to 14, and in the first statement it has to check x greater than or 10 or not. Yeah, and 14 is greater than 10, so it is printed, I mean that displays the output as a. And I want to give an x is equal to 1, so you can see that the output, yeah, it will check to the second condition, like else if the 1 is less than 50, so it will print the b. I want to give an statement x is equal to 100, and it will print a. Yeah, because 100 is greater than 10. I want to change the statement. And I have given the x equal to 2, then I want to print. And you can see that above condition is false, because first it will check the condition of the x greater than 10, where 2 is less than 10, it will go to the second condition like x greater than 50, where 2 is less than 50, and the third condition x greater than 40, where the 2 is less than 40. So, and the finally, and it will print the whatever the statement is there in the else statement. Okay, I hope you are clear with the first three conditional statements, and coming to the fourth one, and it is one of the important. It is what nested if. Nested if. Okay, where it is actually using. If statement is present inside another if statement, is called a nested if statement. Like we have like inheritance of the body. In our body we have eyes and nose, like that. In one if statement we have so many if statements, and it is called a nested if statements. And it is mainly used to test multiple criteria to filter the best outcome. And I can give an example like if any graduate apply for a job in MNC, and the MNC will check for multiple eligibility criteria as percentage in a higher education and in a sports quota and something else it may be. So for and for the best outcome, it has to check for multiple conditions, and where the nested if is used. And I want to give an example. And I am directly copying the code. Okay, I just copied from the code from a notepad. Okay, you can see that here. Yeah, and assign the x equal to 2. So it will check for the first condition, x is greater than 10. Okay, and it will check for the if, and this if is called a nested if, and in this the entire if condition, and it will print like x equal to 2 as the data is assigned to the variable. And the second one is okay, one terminated from the if condition. Wait a minute, I think so I have done something wrong. And sorry for the confusion, I have confused that. And here I have given the x equal to 2, and it will check the first condition, x is greater than 10, because 2 is less than 10. So it will directly jump to the else statement, and in else we have x equal to, and it will print the x value where it is print x equal to, and the second output statement is terminated from the if condition, where it is printed as it is as like. But if you want to change the data, like I want to give 20. Okay, now you can see the what is happening in the nested if statement. Yeah, you can see that first it will print the x value data like x equal to 20, and second it will print that x value is greater than 10 and less than 50, where the second condition is actually nested if in the entire if condition. It will check, and x value is greater than 10 and less than 50, and I want to give an value that which is greater than 50, where it is working or not. I want to check 70. Okay, and I have given the x equal to 70. Okay, now you can see that it is printed the x value, and after that x value is greater than 10 and not less than 50, because it has used the else statement here. Yeah, it is the actual use of the nested if. I hope all are clear. I hope all are clear about these four statements. Okay then.